Welcome to the B2A platform. This smart solution directly maps books, chapters, and quizzes to ABET Student Outcomes. It uses AI to connect your learning materials with measurable outcomes, all aligned with ABET standards. So, how does it work? Let's take a look. ABET standards define 7 general student outcomes that students are expected to achieve during their academic journey. Our platform follows a book-wise assessment approach, and the process works in 3 intelligent steps. First, the platform automatically maps textbooks to the relevant ABET student outcomes. Second, for each chapter, the platform uses AI to generate learning outcomes that directly support the mapped student outcomes. Third, quiz questions within each chapter are automatically linked to the relevant learning outcomes. By automatically linking student outcomes, learning outcomes, and quiz questions, the platform makes assessment clear and organized. This helps educators measure student performance based on ABET standards more easily. Now, let's dive into how you can use the application. We'll begin by looking at the core features of the admin panel. After logging in, the admin dashboard displays 3 management features: Manage Books, Manage Chapters, and Manage Chapter Questions. Let's start with the Manage Books section. Here, the admin can add textbook details in 2 ways: manually by filling out this form, or automatically by simply entering the book's ISBN number. The platform then uses the Google Books API to fetch the book's metadata. It also uses AI model APIs like ChatGPT and Gemini to link the book to the appropriate ABET student outcomes. Once added, the admin can edit the book details using this form. They can also delete a book using this button. Now, let's add a few more books to explore additional features. As you can see, each book is automatically linked to relevant ABET student outcomes. The admin can browse through the list of books using these pagination buttons. They can also use the search bar to quickly find a specific book. Search results can be filtered by ISBN, title, program tags, or ABET student outcome.
Now let's see how the admin can manage book chapters. In this section, the admin has 2 ways to add chapter information. They can manually enter the chapter details using this form, or they can use this button to generate chapters automatically. This button leverages AI models to intelligently generate chapter details. It also creates relevant learning outcomes and links them to the appropriate ABET student outcomes. Let's take a look at one of the auto-generated chapters for this book. As you can see, the chapter includes well-structured learning outcomes. Each learning outcome is correctly mapped to 1 or more ABET student outcomes supported by this book. The admin can edit the chapter details at any time using this form. Chapters can also be deleted using this button. Additionally, the admin can publish or unpublish a chapter using this toggle switch. The third admin management feature is the ability to manage chapter questions. In this section, the admin can manually enter question details using this form. Alternatively, questions can be generated automatically using this AI-powered prompt form. To explore this intelligent feature, the admin simply enters a prompt and specifies the number of questions to generate. The AI models then use the book and chapter information, along with the prompt input, to automatically generate relevant questions. Let's take a look at one of the auto-generated questions. As you can see, the question is correctly linked to a learning outcome from the current chapter. Additional question details are also automatically filled in. The admin can edit any question using this form. They can also delete questions using this button.
Now let's explore how a student can use the application. Students begin by registering an account in the system. After logging in, the student dashboard presents 3 main tabs: Available Books, My Books, and Quizzes. In the Available Books tab, students can browse all books offered on the platform. They can enroll in any book by clicking the Enroll button. Once enrolled, the book will appear in the My Books tab. In the My Books section, students can track their progress and performance for each book. When a student selects a book, they can view its chapters and the quizzes available for each one. Each chapter shows the quiz status and the student's performance on that chapter. To begin a quiz, the student simply clicks on the Take Quiz link. This takes them to a page with quiz instructions. After reading the guidelines, the student clicks the Start Quiz button to begin. During the quiz, students can answer questions with ease. They can also see their progress and keep track of the remaining time. Once the quiz is submitted, the score is added to the chapter's record. The overall book score is updated accordingly. At the end, students get a clear view of their performance across all chapters and books.